In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pronouns in Zoom. Adding pronouns to your Zoom profile is a simple way to help others address you correctly and create a more inclusive meeting space. We'll do this from the Zoom web portal so the change applies across your meetings. First, sign in to your Zoom account in your web browser. On the left side, open My Account to get to your personal settings. Once you're there, go to Profile. This is where your basic information lives, including your display name, photo, and the pronouns field. Next, find your full name and select Edit to open the profile editor. In the editor, look for the Pronouns field. Click into it and type the pronouns you want displayed. You can enter formats like she, her, he, him, they, them, or combinations such as she, they, or he, they. Use whatever best represents you. Keep it concise so it displays neatly next to your name in meetings. Below that, open the setting labeled, How would you like to share your pronouns? You'll see options that control when Zoom shows your pronouns in meetings and webinars. Choose the option that fits your preference. Always Share will automatically display your pronouns whenever you join supported sessions. Ask Me Every Time will show a quick prompt at the start so you can decide per meeting. Don't Share means your pronouns stay on your profile, but won't appear in sessions unless you later change this setting. If you're unsure, Ask Me Every Time is a flexible choice. When you're happy with what you've entered, select Save. That's it for the setup. Let's confirm it worked. Join or start a meeting to see it in action. Look at your name in the participants panel or on your video tile, and you should see your pronouns next to your display name, depending on the option you chose and the meeting type. If you selected Ask Me Every Time, approve the prompt when it appears to share your pronouns for that session. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see a pronouns field on your profile, your organization may control that setting, or it might be disabled on your account. In that case, you can still keep your display name accurate, and if needed, check with your account owner or admin about enabling pronouns. You can update or remove your pronouns anytime by returning to Profile, opening Edit, adjusting the text, and saving. And if you work across different groups, using the Ask Me Every Time option gives you control over when they appear. That's all you need to add pronouns in Zoom quickly and confidently.